Today, my friends, we have the most experimental test known to man when it comes to the all-new Milwaukee Packout tool chest. Yeah, we're really going to use and abuse to see how it holds up.
Yeah, that's right. Today we're looking at the brand new Milwaukee Packout tool chest.
Now, before we get started, let me just say that I think there's going to be a lot of features that you're going to absolutely love when it comes to this new Milwaukee Packout tool chest. However, there is one major flaw that I found with this, and it really let me down. Don't worry about it. We'll get to that here in a bit. But now, let's take a look at the all-new Milwaukee Packout tool chest.
Now, if you were in the Packout system or looking to get into the Packout system, you definitely want to check this thing out. This thing has a lot of really cool features, but it can do something that I didn't even know it can do. You definitely want to stick around for that. I'll show you here in a little bit. All right, so let's point out the first cool thing about this tool chest. All right, so this is awesome. You have dual stacking capabilities. Not only do you just stack right here, but you can stack right here. So if you have a Packout set, you put it right here, put it right there. Let me show you. And now you are going to be able to bring a lot more tools with you to the job site. But what about those sweet wheels? On these, you got 9-inch all-terrain wheels. Definitely a nice size. Got some good traction over here. It's going to allow you to go through dirt, snow, water, mud, whatever. You're good to go, yo. On here, you got some really heavy-duty latches. Check this out. Boom! Boom! And not only that, you got a place for a lock here and a place for another lock right here. That's 2 locks. Get subscribed, hit that bell notification. You got a handle right here in case you need somebody to help you lift it up, and you got 2 feet. Check this out. Collapsible handle. If I want, all I do is lift up on it, tilt it, turn it around. That thing's not going to collapse on you. It does got a little bit of resistance. Then when I'm done, boom. Now this also gives you 250 pounds of workload capacity, but I want to try something. I am 240-ish pounds, mostly water weight. But can I stand on top of the Packout without it breaking on me? Oh, please, Lord, don't embarrass me. Yeah, I know, somebody's gonna say you already should be embarrassed because of the shoes you're wearing. I get it, whatever. Here we go. 240-ish pounds. I'll tell you what, this thing is solid. There's no buckling, no nothing. I mean, damn. That's pretty freaking impressive. Well, let's look inside, shall we? Now over here you have like a toolbox holder right here. You can clip it right there, or you can bring it on this side, clip it right there. Or you could take it out all together, and then this is where you got the tool storage. Now to give you an idea of how deep this thing actually is, here is the M18 vacuum, and it'll go in. So realistically, you have about 1 foot deep and 2.5 feet wide. Now that may or may not be enough room for you, but that's on you to decide. Oh, by the way, that portable toolbox, it's real nice like. Look at it. Now there is one extremely cool thing right here that I'm gonna show you. I wanna say that it works awesome if you're using it for one thing, but if you're using it for another, which I'll show you, it does not work all that great. Let me show you. All right, let's open up this box slowly and see if you can see what I'm seeing. You got a kickstand right here. So what's really cool about this is when you're in here digging for your tools, you can't accidentally shut this, but there's a button right here that you push and you want to close it, push. And that's real nice like, unless I need to use this tool chest for something else like I was hoping to. Let me explain. You see, that lever and that lid works great if you're carrying around your tools, but I have an infestation. And luckily I picked it up on camera, on videotape, showing exactly what happened the day before and how this tool chest done failed me. Go ahead and watch.
Of course I want extra cheese on my burger. Huh? Not again. It's him. I knew I could draw him in with nuts and fruits. The only thing he liked better was flesh. Tonight I was gonna get him. Tonight was the night. So I set my trap. I knew the Packout was gonna help me catch the gnome.
The lid stayed up. The lid stayed up. So all in all, the Rooling Toolbox chest from Milwaukee IA, the Packout, this thing, I really like it. I think you're gonna really like it. I think it's gonna be a great addition to your Packout system. Unless you're trying to catch a Makita gnome. But what do you think about this new rolling chest from Milwaukee IA? Leave me a comment in the comment section below, as I love hearing your feedback. Oh, and also, if you could smash that like button, appreciate it. I always appreciate you stopping by. And with that, we'll be back with more videos soon.